That should be sounding like crazy. Alright, so we gotta head over here. The only thing that sucks is I can't really drive fast where I'm going because it is a notorious speed trap. So I gotta actually go slow or go the speed limit to see it. Come on, lady, move your car. Not worth it. Gonna put on his right blinker, then throw on his left blinker. Like, come on, man. Hey, yo, I try to tell him. It's my year. Hey. Yeah. Let's see how you doing the pressure. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Like, that's what I say, you gotta be careful when you're trying to anticipate what people are doing on these streets, man, because the shit they be doing just don't be making no sense, man. Come on, baby. Damn. Ooh, he got stopped. He's underneath the truck trying to fix that shit. That sucks. Man, that's super dangerous because somebody slams in the back of him, dude. Damn, that's dangerous. Yep, gotta go to speed limit. Sucks because you gotta like stay in second gear the entire time, man. There's no point in going in third gear. You're going slow. Yeah, cops like to hide every fucking where on this street, dude, because of the speed limit, so they just sit and wait. And that's the only reason why I'm not getting over in the other lane to try to pass, because I mean it's like almost a guaranteed guarantee that the cop is gonna see you and be like, you're on a bike and you just passed them, you're speeding. He went hit the roof. Let me see a coke. The fucking pin Hellraiser. I'm gonna raise a Hellraiser. So it goes from like 35 to 40 back to 35 down here. It's crazy. But yeah, man, it is super nice. I was actually getting a little warm when I went to my appointment. I had to take this shit off. Took my hoodie off because I was like, ooh, it's a little warm out here. So, and actually, it's 12:35. I still got 10 minutes to spare. Haircut appointment is at 12:45, and honestly, I thought what was gonna happen was I thought it was gonna be too early. I thought I was gonna hit that appointment, and I thought I was gonna have to go back home and then come back. But it worked out. 10 minutes to get to where I'm going, man. And we gotta wait on this long ass light. What's going on with that shit? Stay at that speed. Get it out the spot. Look in my eyes. We trading war stories. Outlaws on the rise. Get a niggas out the spot. Look in my eyes. Picture a third nigga drinking more liquor. Up the guy quicker. Just escape. Going 32, man. This shit is torture. It is torture. Oh my God, I was wrong. I apologize. It is not 35. It goes down to 30. So it goes 35, 40, back down to 30. Tell you, man. The outlaws on the ride. What up? Hold on. Turn that off real quick. It's good? It's nice out today. I was like, shit, let me take it out. It sounded good, man. I'm glad we got some decent weather. Shit, huh?
Got a few days.
Yeah, I'm hoping it stay like this for a little bit. Shit.
A few moments later.
Feel me? Tell a ninja trying to kill me. So we just got cut up. Got my haircut. So now I'm about to head out and get some. I'm gonna head back to towards the house and get a nice little ride in. Be safe. All praises to the Most High. I still got my 360 the stick on there. I was gonna put it on today, but she was beautiful. You gotta be careful. Look at all this debris on the road, dude. They never clean this shit. This is where I got my ticket. Right here. Got my ticket right here. Oh shit. Thought I lost my wallet. Let's go. Crazy. Get off the road. Watch out for big truck here. Go ahead. That's right. Be out there rolling today, boy. Be out there rolling today. I gotta be careful this water. Let's smell. Let's go, baby. He had a dream. Another tip. I very rarely look at my RPM gauge. I just listen to the engine and shift like that. And one thing I do know is, like, I think that's part of the problem is that I don't necessarily know the power band for this bike because I don't ever really push it. And so I think that's what hinders me when I'm out with the boys and we're trying to roll race is I don't ever, like, I don't ring the bike out. I'm always kind of timid to open it completely up, and I think I've done it a couple times maybe, but it's so fast that it's a little scary. That's what makes me scared to do it. Get from behind that trailer. Come on. That's nice. Oh, there goes the cop. Maybe. Oh, that bitch is fast, boy. Got some birds out today. Hey, man. Damn, look at that traffic. I was gonna go down there, but I can't come back with that shit. They're almost finished with this big ass overpass. Almost. And it should alleviate all of the traffic. Listen to the engine. Let's go. Oh, there goes Popo right there. Damn, man. There goes the Popo. Fuck. Well, it doesn't mean that we can't ride, right? It just means that you can't, act to full speed. Yeah, I don't even think he's worried about me. He's probably hoping that I'll fly by his ass, give him an excuse. Stay on. Getting off. That cop is like waiting up there. Holy shit. I just saw him up there. You must have like pulled over or just started going really, really slow. But he pulled up. He's up there. He's waiting. That motherfucker is waiting on it. That's crazy. Never mind. Get my ass right back off. Look, he's right up there. He's sitting in the middle lane. He's just fucking going slow as hell. He's waiting on me to go past him. I ain't doing it. I ain't taking the bait. Let's take it over here to one of my favorite spots. Let's take a look at this beautiful ass bike. Let's look at this beautiful machine. I got the little pigtail. I gotta figure out a way to keep it in there. Woo! Listen to that bike, bro. Listen to it. I mean, this bike is incredible, dude. M4, the truth. I've been seeing people talk about the factory Superbike exhaust, and I heard people complaining about it. They said it was way better than M4, but I heard people complaining about it, saying that the pipes are too low. And so I think they said that they were working on like a shorter header. But the Suzuki, I don't care, man, what anybody says. If you get a Suzuki, you will not be disappointed, bro. You get a Suzuki 1000, you won't be disappointed. It's not a BMW, it's not an Aprilia, right? They can still run with those, man. You gotta remember too, you have to understand, why are you getting the bike to begin with? Now, if you're getting the bike because you intend to just roll race and that's all you want to do, I would seriously suggest the Suzuki, because the prices for parts are gonna be much cheaper than a Euro bike. So keep that in mind. But if you want a daily, a fast daily that you can build to make it as fast as you want, get the Suzuki. I need to start using the clutch at low speeds. It doesn't like to be short shifted at low speeds very well. Nothing that I know you are. Ooh, my boy Max Bigavell. Fucking dumbass, bro. Ooh, 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 no, you are. Oh, it's a beautiful Friday, though, baby. With the Suzuki, right? With the Suzuki. Man, dude. I never would have thought that I would own a 1000cc for a long time, and never did I think ever that I would own a Suzuki GSXR-1000. This bike was literally not even on my radar. I considered it the first time and I was like, hell no, I ain't getting no damn Suzuki. I want my BMW. And I was looking at all the other bikes. Kawasaki, the Kawasaki ZX-10 was, it was strong. I really wanted it because for a long time before the BMW, my dream bike was the ZX-10. And they just look phenomenal right now. But I think I'm looking forward to seeing what their redesign is. And hopefully Suzuki gives us a redesign later on this year. Insight to a redesign, because it needs it. It just needs a little more flair, you know what I mean? It needs a little Italian flair. You know what I mean? So maybe they can redesign it with a little more Italian flair. But the bike, it's perfect, man. Good power plant, and like I said, this is a buildable bike, so you build it how you want it, and you don't have to worry about so much extra bullshit from the computer and all that stuff, man. The technology on here, and I think that's why people love the bike, because it's just a buildable bike, and you don't have to worry about the ECU and electronics like really hindering what you're trying to do with it. It does make me a little sad to see people rat rod some of these bikes, though. Woo. All right, baby. That was a nice ass ride today, man. I'm really glad that I decided to take the bike to the appointments, because very well needed.